Many just got their power back on from the weekend outages, and now Consumers Energy is preparing for yet another round of high winds up to 65 miles an hour, which means power outages are likely again. Last week, storms damaged more than 200 poles and caused outages up until Monday afternoon. Consumers says it has 400 crews preparing to respond to outages overnight.
We would like to encourage customers, in case there are power outages because of these wind events, to charge their devices, electrical devices, overnight. Secure down any loose holiday decorations or lawn items that might get moved by the wind, and have a safety kit, which includes extra batteries, flashlight, a battery-powered radio.
Customers are encouraged to keep up with any outages using the Consumers Energy outage map on its website. Make sure to stay away from any downed wires and report them to Consumers Energy as well.